Hi, my name is Chris Conley. I'm a professional motion picture and television editor. I've recently started doing some videos, quick reviews of equipment that I use and whatnot. And one of the videos that I just did was a review of a DJI Osmo Action Camera. And as part of that, I was checking the rolling shutter and motion blur by putting neutral density filters on the camera to adjust the shutter speed. And I found that fascinating, so I'm just releasing that part of it as a standalone. While this was done on the DJI Osmo Action Camera, the same principle applies to any other camera. If you have a fixed aperture, then the only way to control the shutter speed is by changing the ISO, and the only way to be able to do that is to control the amount of light that's coming into the camera, and you use ND filters to do that. So I did a sort of a rolling shutter test with the ND filters on, and then I did it without and the camera in auto mode, and then I did a still frame of kind of a representative sample from each and put them side by side and labeled them so you can see what it is. So without any further ado, it's just a quick video. I'll put it up now.